chicken wings dito. Spoon of skip, pero lagyan natin with ground black pepper. Ayan. 2 eggs. Gawa ng alamang. 2 hours later, kailangan natin gumawa ng ating and cornstarch. Coated chicken. Wow. Bango. Ayan, garlic. Okay. Pag meron kayong freshly, pag makalong na siya, lagyan natin yung ating, wala tayo sa, of course, hindi mawawala ang cedar. So you can always adjust. Ayan, ang konting halo lang.